I feel nauseous, believe me. Never had a lot of shit come easy. Had to work hard, struggle just to be me. Had to rise up just so they could see me. Did what I had to do just to feed me, and what was left over I put towards my dreaming. But the only thing in life that has meaning are the things you gotta work for, believe me. Take into your hands a plan, your own hands can land your own brand. And damn, I feel like no one takes accountability. They want the credibility, convincingly unwilling to put in the fucking hours it takes to get some power. Don't be fucking sour, take a cold shower. Scream until you're louder, work until you're prouder. And fuck all the doubters, they're just fucking downers. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm pissed off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. I'm just telling you to fight for your dreams, but it's not what it seems. Man, it's hard to be seen when everybody wants to be king. Yeah, they all wanna ring, yeah, we all wanna be free. So show me what you got, what you bring, how you fight in the ring, how you take a fucking swing. Do you got heart, are you mean? Got some scars, got some needs, are you willing to go bleed? I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm pissed off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I'm pissed off at these fucking clowns who were all taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown. Let's go, yo. I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back.
taga Tarlac City ako. About Majestic. Nakita ko siya sa Facebook. Yung una, na-curious ako kung ano yun. Ano ba yung sinasabi nilang bagong paggawa daw. Sa mga, mas maganda pa daw to sa tiles. Yun ang sabi nila, ha? Kaya, napaisip ako. Ano yun? Maganda pa ba sa tiles? So, sinubukan namin mag-asawa. Tinawagan namin sila, nagtanong kami kung ano ba yung pagkakaiba ng produkto nila sa iba na mas maganda daw sa tiles. So, pinakita nila sa amin kung ano yung sinasabi nilang pagkakaiba daw. So, nakita namin, oo nga, maganda. Makinta ba? In fairness, maganda yung pagkakagawa nila. Tsaka, pulido. Mukhang magagaling yung gumagawa. Tsaka parang bago lang yung product nila sa market na hindi ba basta-basta. Kasi nakita namin yung mag-asawa yung paano nila ginagawa yung yung sinasabi nilang produkto na to. Hindi pa nga natatapos, maganda na. Siguro pag tapos na to, lalo itong maganda. So, ang pangalan niya? Ang pangalan ta? Nahalaw? Majestic. Majestic daw ang pangalan nila. So, mga ka-online. Tingnan niyo sila sa Facebook. Makikita nyo, marami na silang kliyente. Uy, kliyente nila si Aga Mulak, ha? In fairness, maganda yung gawa nila. Kaya, tinry din namin. Pwede nyo rin i-try. Mga Facebook, mapapamajestic ka sa ganda!